You're right, Samia. It's very strange times we're living in at the moment, and I think now more than ever we're all in need of some inspiration. So my plan is to try and upload a hell of a lot more. I'm going to be calling these vlog style, more laid back videos Isolate and Create. So whenever you see that as the thumbnail or on the title of the video, you know it's going to be a much more relaxed style video. They're not going to be full projects from start to finish, and it's just going to be more along the lines of following what I'm doing while I'm staying home, that kind of thing. I hope that it'll inspire you. I hope that you're all staying healthy and safe, and I hope during this time you can all be creative too. Today I'm going to be engraving some watch straps. I've personally got an Apple Watch and it's great for changing the different straps for colours and stuff like that, and I engrave them on my laser engraver, so I thought it'd be good to show you how I go about setting up the laser and engraving my new design on the watch straps. I've also got a little bit of an update in terms of my logo, and there's also a challenge been started by Leo at Handicraft, so I'll tell you a little bit more about that too. This is my laser. You may have seen it in a few of my other videos, and this is what I use to engrave my watch straps. It's a 40 watt CO2 laser, sometimes referred to as a K40 laser if you're interested. Now I personally changed the bed to my laser. I'll leave a link down in the description to a video where I explain it a bit more. But it's basically some aluminium all glued together with super glue. Not a great idea, I know, but it's working for me. And some set screws in each corner to act as a leveller. The idea is we need to get the laser in focus to be able to etch correctly. So first I tend to put a scrap piece of thin plywood to act as a base, and this will give me an area to etch an outline so I can line up the watch straps. Then all I need to do is take one of the straps, place it on the board, and make sure the feet on each corner are more level to the surface of the watch strap. Now as you can see, I've already got some areas that I'd like etched before. This was a phone case and this was another watch strap. So I'll jog the laser along, find a clear area of space, etch the outline and get the strap lined up. So now I've got the outline, I can line up the strap itself. So with that in place, I can engrave the design that I've created. I can make use of the same outline to do the Average Joe's Joinery strap too. So this is my current Average Joe's Joinery logo. I did it back in 2014. It's not great, it's seen me by though, and I decided it was about time that I had a bit of a refresh. So I've redesigned it along with the logo for my Instagram account, Average Joe's Productions. I tried to keep them very similar, and this is why I've gone and changed my colour scheme as well. I've gone for like the magenta, not pink, as my accent colour, and I'm going to try and keep that as a running theme now, just to tie it all together. But let me know what you think about the logo design. I played around with a ton of different ideas. I'm happy with this. So this is going to be the new Average Joe's Joinery logo from now on. So if you see this instead of the little grey saw blade, you know that it's me. As I mentioned at the start of the video, Leo from the YouTube channel Handicraft, it's linked in the description below, has set us all a challenge. He unfortunately lost the use of his dominant hand, so he set us the challenge to create something using our non-dominant hand. All the instructions, how to get involved, are on his video, which is linked in the description below. I think it's a great idea. I'm going to get my thinking cap on, try and come up with something. I haven't got a clue what to do, but I'm sure I'll come up with something. I'll make a video and I'll release it, and it's a great idea to get everybody involved and to just try and and keep us creative. So thanks for the challenge, Leo. I think it's going to be a tough one. So that's it for today then, guys. Like I say, these kind of videos are going to be much more relaxed, a lot less structured. It's kind of what I'm up to creative wise. I'm not going to bore you with, oh, I'm watching the telly today kind of thing. But if I'm doing something creative, I'm going to capture it and I'm going to put it into a video, because what else can we do at the moment? Most of us are all stuck at home. We got to do the right thing. We got to play our part. So when you're isolating, you can still be creative. So when you see those videos, isolate and create, you know what this video is all about. So thank you all for watching. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up. If you didn't, give it a thumbs down. As always, massive thank you to all my Patreon supporters. Can't thank you enough. And thank you all for watching. I'll catch you on the next one.